The Hyalu B5 serum from Roche Posay is a serum that intensely hydrates and re-plumps the skin. This video will dive into the key ingredients behind the serum, guide you on its correct application, and highlight the do's and don'ts for optimal results. The anti-aging serum has a fresh, hydrating water gel texture and is designed to provide intense hydration and anti-aging benefits. Hyaluronic acid, naturally found in the body, depletes with age, leading to signs of premature aging such as wrinkles, dull skin, and a lack of plumpness. Using the Hyalu B5 serum regularly can help address these concerns. Here are the key ingredients in the serum. The first ingredient is 0.3% hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture, helping to keep the skin hydrated and plump. The next key ingredient is vitamin B5, also known as panthenol. Known for its soothing and healing properties, it aids in skin cell regeneration, promoting younger-looking, brighter skin. Another key ingredient in the Roche Posay serum is glycerin, a moisturizing agent that helps in repairing and protecting the skin barrier, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. And madecassoside, derived from Centella asiatica. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help to calm and repair the skin. This combination works together to intensely hydrate, plump, and repair the skin, making it an excellent addition to any skincare routine, especially for those looking for anti-aging benefits. Let's now jump into how to use the Roche Posay Hyalu B5 serum in your skincare routine. First, start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Ensure the skin is damp. Always apply the serum to damp skin. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, so it attracts and retains moisture. Applying it to damp skin enhances its effectiveness. Next, take 2 to 3 drops of the serum onto your fingertips and gently pat it onto your face, neck, and chest area. Follow with any other water-based serums, then oil-based serums. Finish with moisturizer and during the day sunscreen. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the serum in your skincare routine. Do a patch test before using it on your face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do apply it to damp skin for better absorption and hydration. Don't use too much product at once. A few drops are enough to cover your face and neck. Don't skip your moisturizer. Using a moisturizer after the serum helps to lock in the hydration and maximize the benefits. The Roche Posay Hyalu B5 serum is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for hydration, repair, and anti-aging. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more hydrated, youthful, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about hyaluronic acid, check out this video here next.